Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a honest look at Fireflies.ai, the AI meeting assistant that's been making waves for its automated meeting transcription and smart summaries. If you're thinking about trying it out for your business or team, make sure you click the link in the description. You can test it out for yourself and see if it's actually worth it. Now this isn't a tutorial. I'm not going to walk you through buttons or setups. This is just my honest experience using Fireflies, what I liked, what annoyed me, and whether it's something I would actually keep paying for. So in simple terms, Fireflies.ai is like having an AI note taker that joins your calls, listens quietly, and then spits out clean transcript, meeting summary, and key takeaway once you're done. It works with Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and basically any major conference platform. You can even upload pre-recorded audio or video file, which I personally love because it let me use it for YouTube interviews and not just live meeting. It detects over 60 plus languages, automatically figures out who's speaking, and even gives you searchable transcript so you can jump straight to any part of the conversation later. Now Fireflies comes with 4 different plans. So the free plan, surprisingly generous, includes unlimited transcription with limited AI summaries and 800 minutes of storage per person. And the pro plan is $10 per month and it unlocks unlimited AI summaries and 8000 minutes of storage. And then we have the business plan, which is $19 per month. And then we also have the enterprise plan, which is $39 per month for big teams. Honestly, the free plan itself is solid for solo creators or freelancers, but if you're serious about using it regularly, the pro plan hits the sweet spot. That's where all the real automation and AI features start showing their value. Alright, now let's talk about the features that actually stand out. The first one is the AI summaries. So after every call, Fireflies automatically generates a clean, structured summary, complete with timestamp, bullet points, and action items. It's not perfect, but it's actually accurate enough that I rarely need to edit it. And the feature called Smart Search is also cool. You can literally search across every meeting you have ever had. Let's say you're looking for when someone mentioned pricing, type it in and it jumps you straight to the section of the transcript. Basically a built-in chat GPT that can answer questions about your meeting, like what was discussed about the meeting goals or who was assigned tasks. It's surprisingly useful for project reviews. And also you could be doing integrations with Slack, Notion, HubSpot, ClickUp, and CRMs, automatically syncing your notes and transcript. And for teams, this is a major time saver. And there is soundbites and playlists. This is such an underrated feature. You can highlight a specific part of a meeting, say a key quote or sales pitch, and turn it into a soundbite. Then you can organize these into playlists, for example, all the best client testimonial in one folder. Now it's not perfect. Here are some of the things that really bugged me. So it's handy, but still nowhere near ChatGPT level flexibility. And also 800 minutes fill up fast if you're doing regular calls. And it can take a few minutes for transcripts and summaries to process after meeting. But overall, these are just minor trade-off compared to the convenience it has. So is Fireflies.ai worth it? Honestly, yes, especially if your work involves regular meetings, interviews, or client call. It's like adding a smart assistant to every conversation who never forgets a detail. If you're a freelancer, coach, business owner, or team manager, this can genuinely save you hours every week. You can try it out for free or grab the 7-day business trial using the link in the description below. That's the best way to see if it really suits your workflow. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for no fluff AI reviews. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.